Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video. And today in this video I'm going to show you how you can archive all the messages on your messenger just with one simple click. So without any delay, let's start our video. First, go to your messenger. So suppose you want to archive this whole conversation on messenger. All you have to do is just press on that message option. Here you can see the option pop up archive. Just select that option. You can do it for all the messages just you want to do. Just follow the steps and your messages will be archived. Suppose you want to unarchive that message. All you have to do is click those three lines on top of your left screen. Just click here and you can see the option archive. Just click here. As you can see, those are the people that I archived my messages. Just click that option and you can see the unarchived option. Just click that option and now go to chats, and as you can see that archived messages are now unarchived, and this is the way you can archive your messages. And that is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on next one.